Dear friends, everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can connect to Hotspot on iPhone. Before watching, friends, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put likes, and also please write your comments under this video. So let's go ahead and get started with you guys. First, in order for someone to connect to your hotspot, you need to enable it on your iPhone. To do that, go to Settings, and then look for an option called Hotspot. And I want to say right away that this option is not available on all iPhones. If this option, Hotspot, is available on your mobile package, then it will be inherent in your menu and you will be able to enable it. If it is not provided by your carriers, you will not be able to activate it, unfortunately. But now in many, this option is available. So when you find it and you open it, you're gonna have to, folks, first of all, turn on the hotspot. Now scroll down to the bottom and I recommend that you enable this option as well. Maximize connectivity. Thanks to it, you will be able to easily connect not only to other iPhones, but also to Android devices and so on. And then you have already done everything, so to speak, from your side. You don't need to do anything further. The only thing you can do is just show the person who connects to your access point the password, if you have it. And for the person to be able to connect to your hotspot, you will need to swipe from the right side from top to bottom, and then click on the Wi-Fi sign. After that, friends, you will need to find your access point, that is, what is the name of, for example, your iPhone and your Wi-Fi, and click on the name of your iPhone to connect. And then you will need to enter your password. After that, you will see that if a person has connected to your device, you'll see the hotspot signal light up here, and you will be able to see that the person has connected to your Wi-Fi. And they'll have a mobile connection through your hotspot as well. I hope that this video was helpful to you. You were able to see how you can connect to a hotspot on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like and comment. See you soon, friends.